Question number 18. The population of a town grew from 5,000 to 5,800. What was the percent increase? A 12%, B 14%, C 15%, D 16%. We are going to use the OV and NV, and we are going to identify what is the formula of the percent increase. Take note that from the given, we have the original value, which is the old value, okay? So that's 5,000, and of course, the new value, we have the 5,800. Then, we are talking about percent increase. So, formula natin, NV minus OV divided by OV times 100. Laging nasa baba po ang OV natin. Okay? Then, kapag nakalimutan nyo, ang hint ko lagi is yung mas mataas na value ng OV or ng NV natin. So, let's substitute NV minus OV over OV. Kung papansin niyo, ang NV natin ay 5,800 minus the NV, which is equal to 5,000 divided by 5,000 times 100. So let's subtract 5,800 minus 5,000, that's 800, divided by 5,000, that's 800 over 5,000 times 100. Now, compute natin 800 divided by 5,000, that's 0.16. Then, multiply natin sa 100% because we're talking about percentages. So, 0.16 times 100, that gives you 16% dito sa part na to. Therefore, the population increased by 16%, and letter D tayo sa part na to. Follow my talks for more videos. See you.